Hey, are you wasting your money on TikTok ads because you are picking the wrong objectives? Most people fail here and wonder why they are not getting results. In today's video, I'm going to break down every single TikTok ad objectives from sales to lead generation, so you know exactly which one to choose for your business. But before we dive in, if you have not seen my previous video on TikTok account creation and pixel setup, you're missing the foundation. I highly recommend you go back and watch my full TikTok ad playlist. Okay, let's get started. Go to your TikTok Business Center and Ad Manager. Alright, let's talk about the first column, brand awareness. Okay, inside this section, TikTok gives you three specific tools. Let's break them down so you know exactly which one to click. First up, we have traffic. Think of traffic like a digital bridge. Use this when you want people to leave TikTok and land on your website or blog. You are not necessarily asking them to buy anything yet. You just want to say, hey, come check out my new article or see my new portfolio. It's the best way to get a massive number of visitors for a very low cost. Next, we have video views. This is my favorite for creators. If you have spent hours making an amazing high quality video and you want it to go viral or get at least a few thousand views, choose this. TikTok will show your ad to people who are video lovers, people who have a habit of watching videos until the very end. It's great for building a loyal fan base or telling a brand story. And finally, we have community interaction. Use this if you want to grow your TikTok family. This objective is optimized to get you more followers and more profile visitors. If your goal is to build social proof and make your TikTok page look big and popular, this is the button you want to hit. So traffic means send people to your website and video views, get more eyeballs on your content, and community interaction, gain more followers. Now let's get into the big one, sales. This is the objectives most of you watching this video are looking for. If you have a product and you want to see money coming into your bank account, this is where the magic happens. But you have two very different options here, website conversion and TikTok shop. First, we have website conversion. This is for my Shopify owners, WooCommerce users, or anyone with an external website. When you select this, TikTok uses your pixel data to find buyers. It doesn't just look for people who click. It looks for people who have a history of adding to cart and checking out. Use this if you want to drive high quality traffic to your own store to generate sales. Okay, next we have TikTok shop. This is the game changer. If you are selling directly through the TikTok shop ecosystem, this is your go-to. The advantage here is frictionless shop. People can buy your product without ever leaving the TikTok app. It's incredibly fast and TikTok's algorithms loves promoting shop products right now. If your product is listed on TikTok shop, select this for the best results. So website conversion for your own external website and TikTok shop for selling directly inside the TikTok app. Either way, these objectives is all about ROI. Only use this when your pixel is warmed up and you are ready for business. But remember, for website conversion to work effectively, your TikTok pixel must be set up correctly. Without it, TikTok is basically flying blind and won't know who is actually buying your products. If you have not set up your pixel yet, you can watch my step-by-step tutorial right here in the I button or find the link in the description below. And if you are a complete beginner, I highly recommend watching my full TikTok ad playlist to learn everything from scratch. Now, what if you are not selling a physical? What if you are a consultant, a real estate agent, or you run a gym and you just need people's contact info to follow up with them? That's where lead generation comes in. It's all about building a list of potential customers. TikTok gives you three powerful ways to collect these leads: website form, TikTok instant form, and direct message or phone calls. First, we have website form. Choose this if you want to send people to a specific landing page on your own website. This is great if you have a detailed questionnaire or a thank you page that tracks specific conversion on your site. Next, there's the TikTok instant form. This is super high converting because the form opens inside the TikTok app. It's pre-filled with the user's information, so they can submit it in just 2 taps. It's fast, easy, and keeps the user experience seamless. And finally, we have direct messages or phone calls. If your business depends on talking to people immediately, like a local repair service or a booking agency, this is perfect. It encourages users to start a conversation with you right away. So, to recap, website form for sending leads to your own custom landing page, and TikTok instant form for the fastest, highest volume of leads inside TikTok, and call messages for businesses that need to talk to customers instantly. Now, here is a secret tip regarding lead quality. If you want a large volume of leads quickly, go with the instant form. It's super easy for users. But if you want higher quality leads who are more serious about your service, I recommend using a website form. It requires a bit more effort from the user, which usually means they are more interested in what you are offering. If you found this video helpful, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.